One of the things that young adults don't realize is that banks are predatory in nature, and they are in the business of doing what? Making profit.
Mhm.
That's what the bank is in business for, is to take your money and hold on to it for you so they can use that money to lend to other entities, right? And they'll be happy to loan it back to you at an interest rate. So when you're young, let's say you have no credit, or you have bad credit, or
Mhm.
whatever. You have an established credit. So to get credit as a 20-year-old, or 23, 24, 25, whatever, what's going to happen is they're going to say, okay, well, you haven't established credit yet, so we'll happily loan you the money or give you a credit card, but you're going to have a 35% interest rate, right? Maybe not quite that high, maybe a little lower than that, and they want you to pay the minimal payment on your credit card, right? They don't want you zeroing it out, half of it now and half of it next payday, because they want to be able to keep accruing interest on all of that money that you owe them, right? And so let's say you have a credit card with $1,000 limit, and you're only paying them 15 or $20 every month. Well, you're going to wind up paying them $2,500 in the end to pay that thing off,
Right.
right?
Sure.
And kids don't know that, and young
Yeah.
adults don't know that unless they've been taught by their parents, or they've talked to a financial counselor, or and when I was in my 20s or early 30s, I didn't even know what a financial counselor was, right? I didn't know that I needed to talk to somebody and get the knowledge that I needed to understand these things. I learned, and I'm still learning through the school of hard knocks, right? Through the consequences of making those mistakes. And of course, parents now, none of us want our kids to make the same mistakes we made. We want to educate them. We want to give them the benefit of our wisdom so that they can be better prepared for the future, right? And
Sure.
and make better decisions with their money.
That's the goal.
That's the goal, right?